Some oxtail, jerk chicken, brown stew chicken, curry chicken, fried chicken, pineapple fish, we have it all, man.
Everything?
Everything, man.
Everything, man. You're tuned in to Donk Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team, you hear me?
If you in a 7-1, boy, make that bitch run. If you in a 7-2, make it do what it do. If you in a 7-3, see it slide like a G. If you in a 7-4, boy.
What's good, what's good, what's good, fam? What's going on? Y'all already know we headed down south. Home base as we call it. We headed to Sudie. You hear me? And we got that behind the scenes footage rolling because the boys is down south putting in that work, you hear me? What's going on, folks? It's a beautiful day to chase your dreams, you hear me? Definitely a beautiful day to chase your dreams, man. We on our way to the shop, about to check out what's popping there. We already know they putting in that work, but we gonna see exactly what they working on today, you hear me? But yeah, folks, man, I hope you guys appreciate the 2 videos that I put out yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Wanted to put out 2 videos yesterday to show you guys how much I appreciate you guys. Also today, folks, we coming up on another 17-hour fast. You know, 17-hour fast. It's about to be 11 a.m. So it's about time to put that grub in the system, you hear me? The only bad thing going on about today right now, it's a beautiful day to chase your dreams, trust me. The only bad thing going on about today right now is the fact that I'm caught up in this traffic, bro. It's some crazy traffic, mad traffic out here. Y'all take a look at this. Mad traffic out here, man. Mad traffic, mad people that don't know how to drive. Your boy stuck at a standstill right now, man. Folks, make sure when y'all driving out here, man, y'all put on your safety belts, man, because these people can't drive. Especially if you in Florida, man. There's a lot of people out here in Florida can't drive, man. Promise you that, boy. I promise you that. But enough of them, though. What's good, folks? Yeah, so we coming up on a 17-hour fast today. Like I said, man, you know, we still dieting and things are going great with the diet. About to go to get something to eat before I get to the shop. I'm gonna go to Chipotle, you know, get that keto lifestyle bowl, you know. Like I said, man, I've been drinking my water, and you know, I've been drinking a lot more water now, and I feel good about it, you know. Like I say, man, I appreciate all the suggestions you guys make in the comments, you know. I appreciate all the encouragement words. I appreciate all the motivating words, all that, you hear me? All that. All that. I appreciate that, man. Folks, I ain't gonna lie to you with the whole diet thing, right? Some days it be easy, some days be harder than others, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Last night I was so hungry, right? See, one thing about it when I'm on the diet thing, it's kind of like I don't like to leave the house too late because of the, hold on one second. Y'all watch out for Florida Highway Patrol, man. They be the worst, man. But anyway, yeah, sometimes, man, I hate leaving the house late because when I be on, because being on this diet in the late night, sometimes I be hungry, you know what I mean? So last night I had to leave the house late. Man, I was hungry. I had this urge to stop and get me something to eat, man, I mean? One of these fast food joints or whatever, but I fought it, you know? Like they say, it's a mind thing. I fought it, and I took myself home, drank me some water. Woke up this morning feeling better about myself, man. Because I know if I would have cheated last night, I would have went and got something to eat. I would have probably felt bad this morning. I would have felt like, damn, you know what I'm saying? I cheated on my diet. But I didn't do it, man. You know what I'm saying? I fought it. I fought that urge. But yeah, folks, so far so good with the diet, man. So y'all already know, man. For your chances to win a donk, make sure you subscribe to Donk Planet on YouTube, you hear me? Because we are giving a donk away once we hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. But it's up to you guys to help us get to 100,000 subscribers by spreading the word, by telling everybody you know that like donks about the Donk Planet Donk giveaway, and tell them to subscribe, you hear me? Folks, if you looking to stream the intro song, it's titled All Them Donks For You. There's a link in the description of this video that'll take you to Spotify, where you'll be able to stream the song. Also, the song is available on Apple Music, YouTube Music, Google Play, and Tidal, you hear me? Also, if you're looking to purchase that merch, this is this hat that I got on right now. I got on a Donk Gang hard top snapback hat. There's a link in the description of this video that'll take you to DonkPlanet.com, and you'll be able to check out what merch we have available. We got hats, beanies, shirts, hoodies, all that, folks. Y'all make sure y'all check that out when you get a chance. Other than that, folks, I'll see you guys when we get to the shop. Right now I'm about to sign off and focus on this road because of this traffic. Man, these people can't drive, so I gotta drive for me and them, you hear me? Make sure y'all stay safe out there. Oh, my bad. With also being safe, man, hopefully y'all being safe out there due to the pandemic. Make sure you take them necessary safety precaution skills, you know, social distancing, wear your mask, wash your hands, carry some sanitizer, all that to keep you and your family safe, you hear me? All right, folks, I'll see you guys when we get to the shop, you hear me? What's good, fam? I just got to the shop. I done waited, got my food, ate that. Now I'm feeling good, feeling re-energized. I'm feeling like getting us this footage. Y'all pardon the sweat. I walked around the shop for a little bit to see what's going on, but y'all know it's so hot out here, man. I started sweating. But yeah, man, so basically today what we got for y'all is a putting in work alert. You hear me? Them boys is putting in that work. Let's get to it. Let's jump into action. Let's see what they putting in work on. All right, fam. All right, fam, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Just pulled up. Herman done brought that food. Herman, what you got, man? What you got?
What you doing at your plate right now, man?
Huh?
We got some oxtail, jerk chicken, brown stew chicken, curry chicken, fried chicken, pineapple fish. We got it all, man.
Everything.
Everything, man.
Everything, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I wish I could eat a plate from you, man, but I'm on a diet, man.
I'll give you a plate on the house, man.
I'm on a diet. I can't eat this food. I can't eat no rice, man. I know you got that good Jamaican food, man, but I'm on a diet,
well,
man.
Well, maybe next time, man, when you get out with that diet, come see me, man. Talk to you.
You already know, man.
All right, man.
All right, all right, all right.
And love, you know?
All right.
Yeah, spread the word, man.
I got you.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, folks, that was the homie Herman, man. That was the homie Herman be serving that good Jamaican food. But you feel me? I was tempted, but I couldn't do it, man. I couldn't do it. I wanted some of that, you know what I mean, that oxtail with that rice. But I couldn't do it, man. You know your boy on that diet, man. But shout out to Herman, though, man. I'm saying, once I get to where I want to be, I'm going to holler at Herman, get me a plate, you hear me? But anyway, man, let's get back to this footage, man. Let's get into it, you hear me? All right, folks, we're going to start it off like this. Putting in work alert. Them boys putting in that work, you hear me? See what you got there in your hand, man?
I had to cut something out of here.
Somebody put a patch here.
Yeah.
But they put it right on top.
Yeah.
What happens is that when you put a patch right on top, like that, you know, you weld it up, you know, whatever. What happens is that in order to lay out the bundle,
yeah,
you gotta level out the bundle a whole lot. You got more bundle going on. So now I just got a little piece.
Got a piece of metal.
It'll lay right up in there, nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Once it's all grinded down, just a little skim coat, very easy. I did one here earlier. If you look here, just tell me where pretty much it was done. Oh, you won't even be able to tell.
No, you can't really tell.
Why? I did one over here earlier. I cut this out and I welded a piece there. Gotta grind it a little bit more, but it's solid.
It's solid now.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
This is no, see that? That's no good.
Yeah.
That's no good. And I put a thicker gauge of metal.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, now he's got something to work with.
Yeah, that was
It's not gonna crack, nothing, you know, it's gonna be all good.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do this and then in a minute, we'll see what.
Okay. Yeah, folks, this choo-choo car. Choo-choo out of Pompano. 2272 vert, they're getting them right, sending them all the way back down to the middle over here. And over here they about done with the 73 hardtop. Like I showed you guys in previous videos, this hardtop roof was bad. Matter of fact, here's the roof right here. This is the old roof. Hardtop 73, roof totally bad, holes everywhere. Holes everywhere. They had to replace the roof, so they cut the old roof off. And then they put a new roof on. And now it's back like new. Almost done, you know what I'm saying? Little finishing touches here and there. And then it'll be good to go. Want to make it look like it was the original roof. Twiggy, what you doing right there?
I'm doing a factory line seam that the rear tablet goes with a quarter panel.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Getting it right. A good customer, we gotta get them right.
I hear you, definitely gotta get them right.
Yes, sir.
Some people, some shops will let that line disappear.
Yeah. Exactly, they don't want to put it back on there.
Yeah.
But it looks good when you put it back in there.
Definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
Tack it, then you go all the way and weld it all the way around. It's going to be just as smooth as this.
It's gonna be just as smooth?
Just as smooth and flat.
Oh wow. Definitely.
Instead of putting a piece of metal right on top, then you build it, then you got to build a mountain to level everything out.
Yeah.
That's
not the way to do it.
This takes a little bit longer,
yeah.
But you get better quality like
Get better quality?
Less materials. The less materials you have, the better the paint comes out. It looks good.
Definitely. That's what's up, man.
Give me a couple seconds. Once it's all welded, I'll grind it down so you see while I'm grinding, I'll start to lay out.
Okay. Okay.
Technology for the block.
For the block?
Yeah, that's new technology.
Okay. New technology for the block. You like it?
Fantastic.
Good?
Oh, wait.
Easy, yeah. there you have it, you hear me? As you can see, that work is being put in, you hear me? That's that behind the scenes footage, you hear me? That behind the scenes footage of them cars getting put in the game, you hear me? But yeah, folks, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep it locked right here. Don't Planet Live behind the scenes, you hear me?